Set error messages to show in guide when a user fails to forget to fill out input fields that are required. Go to the input customization of the input field you want to display your error messages. Make sure that Yes is selected on your required button. If not, the error message input field won't show up. Set the help message as required. Then, save the form. The admin has full authority to customize the position and presentation of error messages in different ways. Go to that particular form's setting options. From Form Layout, find Error Message Position, where you can select your preference. Below Input Fields will show the error message below the blank input field. Choosing Stacked After Form will present a list below the form of all the required fields that were not filled up. To get the expected output, you must save settings after completing the customization. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon.